Hi there, it's Faye from Unravel and Unwind, and I'd like to thank you for joining me again for my Christmas present unpacking and sharing. I chose to do all my Christmas shopping on MadeMe.co.uk this year to help support other independent artists and crafters. 2020 has been not a very nice year, so I thought it'd be nice to support others who are like myself and crafting and trying to sell their wares. So this next one is actually one of my favorites. It was another custom order, and the lady has had to make lots of these because they were so popular, and I wanted 3 lots. So thank you, Daisy Made It, for my custom order of 3 sets of these. You're gonna love this. This is my, I just absolutely love it. So I bought one for my niece, one for one set of grandchildren, and one for another set of grandchildren. And it comes in this lovely snowflake bag, storage bag, and an embroidered tag. Let's have a snowball fight. It is a set of indoor snowballs. The tie is herringbone tape, which is quite sturdy, and it's a set of 6 snowballs. And they are all a little bit different. They're squishy, they're fleece. As you can see, they are made up of 6 panels. They are stuffed, and they've got these cute embroidered faces on them. Isn't that lovely? So there's 1, 2, 3. This one looks a little bit surprised, but wouldn't you be if you just had that thrown at you? 4, 5, and 6. So let's have a snowball fight. These are beautifully made. I'll put them back in the bag and show you the bag the right way around. They are beautifully made, and like I said, I bought 3 sets because we have got young grandchildren ranging from 2 to 13, and my niece is 3, and I think they will absolutely love these. I did tell my sister about the set for my niece, and she got really excited. So, and my niece is also a big Frozen fan, so she'll think these are Olaf's cousins. And look, aren't they lovely in the bag with the little embroidered tag? So thank you, Daisy Made It. I'll put the details in the description below, and if you're interested, go along and check out her shop on MadeMe. Thank you for joining us on this series of Christmas present unboxings. If you have enjoyed the videos, please give them a like. If you want to see more of our content, subscribe to our channel, click the bell for notifications so that you know when we upload new videos. And if you'd like some other content, join us on patreon.com for patterns, workshops, craft and chats, and our new video series that's coming up, which are video patterns and chat shows with crochet designers with varying topics that we will talk about each month. Thank you for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.